Oh, yeah. Like over that backside.
Yeah.
And then let the cows come in and trample it.
And then eat it all.
Yeah. Great idea, Blaine.
Even after the farmer said, hey, the cows aren't going to be in there.
Appreciate the tip, Blaine.
Off, Blaine. And I should invite all my friends to come help, and then none of them will show up. Good morning, everybody. This is a little bit different scenery. This is actually my favorite pond to hunt. We've only hunted it once this year. I'm hoping the birds show up. There's been about a 50 to 100 on it. So I got my 3 best shooters that I could think of here. So if we shoot bad, roast us in the comments. But there's gonna be 4 of us shooting, and I don't think much is gonna get out alive. We're killing everything that comes in until we shoot a limit, and we're getting out of here. So it'll probably be a quick one. Stay tuned. You got a timestamp on that thing? Here we go. Kill him.
Ooh, that one got whipped. That one got fucking whooped.
Kill him.
Hey, don't shoot my goose feet,
I didn't. I shot to the side.
I know.
Hold on, wait till he gets in that.
Hey!
Until he gets to the opening?
Yep, kill it.
That's just unfair, guys. Give him a chance.
Hey! Hey!
Gap!
Hey!
Gap!
They can die faster than the shot. You're killing it amazing every fucking time.
You're gonna die, clown.
That was gonna be so low. Nice fucking shot. Chase, smile for the camera.
I tried to beat you guys and I fucking missed.
Look at the feathers.
You guys are laughing maniacally.
Oh.
That's why they call them the killers, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ.
We did.
Fell, then I got back
Nothing leaves this pond.
That was pretty far. Hey! Hey!
You guys have some of the dumbest dogs I've ever seen. Do that again, Blaine.
I'm under a fucking log. God damn it.
Fall in, please.
I mean, you do too.
I got the wrong fucking genes.
I got on those genetics.
No, he's got the short one to compensate.
Come here. What are you doing? Come on. Catch it up. Let's go.
You're supposed to grab ducks.
All you can do is drop it.
Come on, Cedar, I believe in you.
Come on, back. Come on, thank God. Go back.
Oh, Buck, you're so close.
Jesus Christ, no fucking peanut butter for her tonight.
There she goes. She's coming back. She's coming back.
Oh, in that case.
Are you fucking kidding me? Back.
Come on. Come here. Here.
Oh, is that a twofer?
Stop. Come.
Well, Cedar.
It's like the bad news bears and dog work.
Come here, Buck. Come. Hey guys, bird. Call him back. Cedar, come here. Cedar, come here.
Woo!
I had to make sure it was
Cedar, back.
Oh, we're gonna get comments about that one.
Does he have 3 ducks right now?
Yeah, or 4. I don't even know.
Buck, just carry one at a time, bud.
Look, just pick one, dog. You got it. Come here.
Run it in.
All right, guys, we just got done with that hunt. How's it going, Chase? I don't know, what did we end up with? We got like 6 mergansers, I think, a couple mallards, gadwall. I think we ended up with like 17 birds or 18 birds. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna go look for some geese, maybe hunt this evening. So stay tuned for that.